Alright, guys, last hit draft WWE Undisputed. This is box 7 from the case. I think, box 7. Good luck, everyone. In this one, I have Kubin, DJ KB, Vegas Vinny, Pierce, Laser, Richard, Laser, Howie, Laser, and Kubin. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Alright, we got 8. 8 times. 1, we have 10 names. Laser on top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7, Laser's top 2. 8th and final time, guys. Good luck. 8. Howie, number 1 pick. Pierce, Vegas Vinny, Laser, Kubin, Laser, Richard, Laser, DJ, and Kubin. Richard, do you need any autos from this? Who do you need left that's anything good? That's not like crazy. It's not like crazy. I'll throw something in, man. You got killed. Alright, good luck, guys. Good luck. Yeah, I don't have a Kevin Owens. Richard, I sent you an IM, man. Alright. We have Xavier Woods out of 99. Kofi, Virgil, Team Hell No, and our first autograph is 75 of 99, Bray Wyatt. Bray Wyatt. Should have grabbed top loaders. Bray Wyatt is auto number 1 out of 99. Alright, Harley Race out of 99. Rick Rude, Big Show, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, and out of 299, Hideo Itami. Hideo out of 299. Apollo Crews out of 99. Jericho, Sergeant Slaughter, Angelo Dawson, and autograph relic 49 of 50 with the star on it, Kofi Kingston. Kofi Kingston, 49 of 50. Insiders, 33 of 99. Paul Orndorff. The Miz. Summer Rae. And Lita, 10 of 25. 10 of 25 blue. Lita. We got Ryback, the big guy, 29 of 50. Eddie Guerrero. Triple H. The Enforcers. And your relic is Baron Corbin at a 175. Got Devon Dudley at a 99. Stone Cold. Kevin Nash. Scott Dawson and Trish Stratus out of 299. Some Stratisfaction. 125 of 299. Trish Stratus. The Sensational Sherry. That is 4 of 50. King Barrett. The Macho Man. Cesaro. And autograph relic. 29 of 99 Charlotte. 29 of 99 Charlotte. It's printing. Rhythm and Blues out of 50. Rhythm and Blues out of 50. Rikishi, Kamala, Eden, and out of 299, AJ Styles. 276 of 299. AJ Styles. 2 packs left. You got Dana Brooke out of 50. Randy Orton. Big John Studd. Apollo Crews. And Bubba Ray. 17 of 175. Bubba Ray relic. Dean Ambrose out of 25. Eric Rowan. Fujinami. Natural Disasters. And Bronze Luke Harper. Bronze Luke Harper. I believe that one's out of 99. Alright, Howie, let me know if you need anything. Let me know if you need anything. How you're up, and then Pierce, you were number 2. Howie is going to take the AJ Styles. Pierce. Who won? Stratus for Pierce. Vegas Vinny. Vegas Vinny is going to take the Charlotte. Laser, you're up. Laser's taking Lita. I believe that's his PC. Kubin login. One sec. Autos only. All right, well, you have Kofi Kingston, 49 of 50, 2-color. Bray Wyatt out of 99. Hideo Itami out of 299. Luke Harper out of 99. And those are your autos. Back rows autos. Cuban Login's going to take the Kofi. Laser takes the Harper. Richard Hare. Wyatt to 99, Itami to 299, Corbin relic, Bo Ray Dudley relic. Richard Hare takes the Wyatt. A laser. We got 175. 29 of 50. Ryback is under the Corbin. At a 175, Dudley and Dana Brooke is the numbered out of 50. Thanks, Sher. Corbin for laser. Kubin, or who's up? DJ up or who's up now? Alright. Jerry's giving away his pick. Alright, guys, that hit draft is complete, and I am all out of wrestling. All out of wrestling.